Hello, this is a brief tutorial of our app as it is now. I know some of you have already seen it, but for those of you who haven't yet installed it, I can show you how it looks so far. As you can see, when the app opens, it starts showing a number of observations done by everyone. They ordered by date. If we press on the top, we can see them in a different order according to likes or validations or comments. If we want to make our own observation, if we want to include it, we press here on the icon plus. So far, as we haven't yet decided the final list of species, we just have 3 as a test. So I'll just click on this one. Then we'll have a description, and we choose what we are observing, give it a title. I'll do it in Spanish, as I'm just doing it from here. Once we have our text here, we can choose either to take a picture at this moment or pick some of our pictures from our gallery. I've done that. I can add more pictures, more images here. Later on, we'll also add the video feature. We're already working on it. I'll just add a couple of pictures here and press next. Okay, and as I already have my location on in my phone, it detects where I am. If this is not the place where I took the pictures from, which is exactly the case, I can click on the top to this icon location, and I can choose in the map the place where I took this picture. As an example, I'll just do it here. You use your fingers to make the map bigger, and when you're happy, you click on publish. You see that it also captures the moment, the temperature, the sun, and all the information that is available in the phone sensors. Click on publish. And yes, it's been published successfully. Right now, as it has to reload, it doesn't show the pictures, but it will in a moment. If we click on this map on the top corner, we can see the observations in a map instead of in a list. So I can see my area. I have some of observations here, or here I have one. Okay, and if we just using our fingers make it smaller, small, I can also go somewhere else to see the details of each observation. Then you can see who took the picture, all the information related to the picture. I can like this picture. Well, actually I did like it. I can share my observations or other observations with my social networks, and also I can see in this menu where I have the main options of the app, I can also list the observations by species. Right now I just have 3, but for example, just show me the list of this one, and then all the pictures that you can see from here. As you can see in this picture, or in this observation, we have 3 different pictures. Just moving my finger, you can see it here. I can write comments. This not validated message that it shows here, it's something we have to to decide first. We have a first validation, meaning that if I upload a picture, I don't know, of a dog, it's obviously not what we are looking for, and then the administrator can delete it quickly. But then we have a second degree of validation, which is someone who's a biologist, or at least knows very well the species we're working with, needs to make sure that this picture belongs to the species we are looking for. So we have to also agree on how we're going to do that. But so far, I can validate this, as I have this possibility in my profile. But we have to decide who has to do that. And this is it. You also have some other options here in the menu, feedback. You can also look at your profile, change your picture. When we have the languages, not for the moment, but you'll also be able to change your language to your preferred language and go back. Okay, so this is it. Any ideas or any comments, they're very, very welcome. Bye-bye.